Tired of people not recognizing your old Discord name? Here's exactly how to turn on the originally known as badge in under 30 seconds. I'll show you the 3 simple steps. Open your profile, find the legacy username badge toggle, and save. Let's go. All right, so let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is look at the very bottom left corner of your Discord window. See your little profile icon and your current username down there? Go ahead and click right on that. This opens up a small menu with a few options, and it's the quickest way to get where we need to go. From that menu, you want to select Edit Profile. Now, this is going to take you to a full settings page for your profile. This is where you can change your avatar, your bio, your banner, and all that good stuff. But we're here for a very specific toggle. So scroll down a little bit on this page. I've tested these exact steps, and the setting you're looking for is called Legacy Username Badge. It's a simple switch. You just click the toggle so it turns green. That's it. Turning it on means other people will see that little badge on your profile that says you were originally known as your old name. If you ever change your mind, you can come back here and turn it off just as easily. And here's the really important part. Once you flip that switch, you cannot just close the window. You have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. If you forget to do that, the toggle won't stick, and you'll have come all this way for nothing. So make sure you hit Save. Now, once you've saved, let's quickly verify that it worked. Go ahead and click on the Discord logo at the very top left of your screen, or just hit the Friends tab so you're back on the main screen. Then just click on your own profile again from the bottom left corner. You should now see your current username, and right underneath it, in a small gray box, it'll say Originally Known As, followed by your old name. That badge is now visible to anyone who opens your profile. And that is literally all there is to it. It's one of those settings that Discord hid just a little bit, but now you know exactly where it lives. So I hope this helped you get that badge set up. Thanks for sticking with me through the whole thing, and I'll catch you in the next one.